What up, good people? Huge shout out to Priority Lexus for allowing me to review the 2024 Lexus GX550. Get ready to meet the epitome of luxury and power, the 2024 Lexus GX550, encased in a sleek caviar finish. This majestic SUV stretches 197 inches in length and standing 75 inches tall, with a robust wheelbase of 112 inches with an impressive ground clearance of 10 inches. The GX550 is engineered to dominate both city streets and rugged trails with equal elegance. A bold new take on the iconic SUV where capability and refinement intersect to take you beyond anything you once thought possible. Also, this has an MSRP of $73,000. Under the hood is the 3.4 liter V6 twin turbo engine unleashing 349 horses and a whopping 479 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. This marvel of engineer propels you from 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds with a top speed of 109. Efficiency haven't been forgotten with a 21 mpg on the highway and 15 mpg in the city. This SUV is where power meets practicality. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with luxurious black leather seats. Right here we're looking at the digital gauge. On the left you have your oil and engine temp. On the right you have your battery gauge and gas gauge. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can customize your gauges. On the left side of the steering wheel you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your menu button. On the right side of the steering wheel you have your cruise control setting with your plus and minus pedal shifters. Looking down on the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one touch one control with mirror control. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 14-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You have your 360 backup camera with cool animations. You have your dual climate control. You have your different drive mode with your off-roading mode alongside your traction control. In the cubby area you have your 2 USB outlet alongside your 12-volt outlet. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 10-speed automatic transmission. Beside the shift knob you have your electronic parking with your auto hold alongside your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the cooler box. It kept my water nice and cold. Brr. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with more luxury black leather. The passengers have air vents with 2 USB outlets. We done made our way back up to your interior lighting. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 45.6 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 90.5 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of 70-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Priority Lexus for allowing me to review the 2024 Lexus GX550. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.